बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम MCQs Ppsc के टॉपिक ओल्ड MCQs माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड के पढ़ेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड टू कट समथिंग द फॉलोइंग शॉर्टकट की इज यूज Ctrl+X। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड शॉर्टकट की Ctrl+Z इज फॉर टू अनडू समथिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इन द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड शॉर्टकट डिलीट इज फॉर डिलीट समथिंग। Question number 4 a program which helps to create written document and lets you go back and make correction as necessary. Correct answer is D word processor. Question number 5 graphics for word processors clipboard कहलाता है. Question number 6 what type of the software is used for creating letters, paper and other documents is called word processor कहलाता है. Question number 7 है what does the Ctrl+I shortcut key accomplish in MS Word? It applies italic format in the selected text. Question number 8 what is the file extension of the MS Word 97 to 2003 document.doc document. Question number 9 why are the header and the footer used in the documents to allow page header and the footer to appear on the document when it is printed. Question number 10 which of the following shortcut key is used to check the spelling F7. Question number 11 what does the Ctrl+B shortcut accomplish in the MS Word? It adds a line break to the format. Question number 12 what is the minimum number of the rows and the column that a word table can have? One row and one column. Question number 13 in Microsoft Word shortcut key Ctrl+R is used for update the current web page. Question number 14 in Microsoft Word shortcut key Ctrl+W is used for the close the current windows. Question number 15 in Microsoft Word system to copy something the following shortcut is used for Ctrl+C. 16 question in the Microsoft Word shortcut key Shift+Delete is used for the delete the selected item permanently without the placing the atom in the recycle. Question number 17 Microsoft Word shortcut key Control is a dragging and the item copy and selected item. Question number 18 Microsoft Word shortcut Ctrl+Shift when the dragging an item it create a shortcut to the selected item. Question 19 in Microsoft Word to delete the selected item permanently without pressing the item in the recycle bin shortcut Shift+Delete. 20 question in the Microsoft Word move the intersection point to the beginning of the next word shortcut Ctrl+right arrow. Question number 21 in Microsoft Windows Word move the intersection point to the beginning of the previous word with the shortcut Ctrl+left arrow. 22 question in the Microsoft Word move the intersection point to the beginning of the next paragraph shortcut Ctrl+right arrow. Question number 23 in Microsoft Word move the intersection point to the beginning of the previous paragraph. None of the 24 question in Microsoft Word move the intersection point to the beginning of the previous paragraph Ctrl+up arrow. Question number 25 in Microsoft Word using Ctrl+Shift with any of the arrow keys highlight a block of the text. 26 in the Microsoft Word using the Shift with any of the arrow key select more than one item in the window or one on the desktop or selected text in a document. Question number 27 in Microsoft Word shortcut Ctrl+A is the select of all. Question number 28 in the Microsoft Word shortcut for the paste is Ctrl+P. 29 question in the Microsoft Word shortcut for the copy is the Ctrl+C. In the Microsoft Word to paste something after the cutting the format shortcut is used Ctrl+V paste. In Microsoft Word shortcut Ctrl+C is used for the copy. In the Microsoft Word shortcut key Ctrl+B is the bold the documents. Question number 33 Microsoft Word to shortcut key the Ctrl+E is used for the open the search bar. 34 question in Microsoft Word shortcut key Ctrl+F is used for the start the find utility. 35 question in the Microsoft Word shortcut key control plus H is used for the open the history bar. 36 in the Microsoft Word shortcut key control plus I is used for the open the favorite bar. 37 in the Microsoft Word shortcut key control plus L is used for the open dialog box. Question number 38 in the Microsoft Word shortcut key control plus N is used for the start another instance of the browser with the same web address. Question number 39 in the Microsoft Word shortcut key control plus O is used for the open dialog box the same as the control plus L. Question number 14 the Microsoft Word shortcut key control plus P is used for open the print dialog box. ये हमारे थे ओल्ड MCQs Ppsc के. थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफिज़. अगर हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब.